everyone, happy Saturday night. Here I am in my kitchen and I thought that I would give you, if I've got messy hair, Saturday night hair, I thought I'd give you a quick lesson on how to flatten your die cutting plates. Steve and I have been die cutting all day, and I mean all day, and we've just finished, and the plates of my die cutting machine are really warped, and I know, see, they're really bent. Right, so it's not doing its job properly, so I'm just going to teach you how to do some cleaning, and Steve's going to help me. So I'm going to turn the camera around and he's going to hold the camera while I show you how to do this. Say hello, Steve.
Hello.
Hang on. Okay. You see me? Alright. So we've got our die cutting plates. What happened to the brush that was there, Steve? Did you move it? Yeah, hang on. Don't follow me. Okay, so have your stuff ready to go. And come closer and zoom in here, Steve. Right here on my hands. No, don't have to have me in it. All right. I can't see any comments, so what I'm going to do is I've got some dishwashing liquid. Now I've got some boiling water in my sink. Right. I've got my kitchen brush and I'm just going to rub it a bit. Now, just use the cheap dishwashing liquid. And you're just going to scrub, get the stuff in both sides. See how bent that is? Like that literally cut hundreds and hundreds of things today. So we've got it covered in soap on both sides. Pop it in the boiling water. Okay, this one's even worse. You can see that it's got paper dust embedded in it. This is why we're using a soft brush to get it out. Can you see any comments, Steve? Is anyone watching?
No.
Oh dear.
Well, it might be, but I can't see it.
Okay. Steve hasn't done Facebook Live before. Alright, so we're just getting a brush. Now this is for the Sizzix electric die cutting machine. I do the same for my other plates. It doesn't matter what brand they are. Now don't burn yourself. Can you see the plates in the water there? So there's probably only 1.5 inches of water. Now I've got a pot of boiling water on the stove. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour a little bit more boiling water in, and it's a really big heavy pot, and I'm just going to put that on top of my plates, and I'm going to push down. Now it's still got heaps of water. We've got a zip tap, so I'm just going to put more hot water in there, more boiling water, just to keep it. So you want the hot pan and you want the hot water, and that helps it flatten. Now it's going to take a little while. I'll just move it over a bit. Don't put your hands in the water. Now if it's not flattening like that, I'm going to put something heavy inside it. Just hold on a sec. A couple of tins of chickpeas, maybe a bit of...
I've probably got a brick outside.
Probably, yeah, you could use a brick. That would work. But we're in the kitchen, so just let that sit. And so we're going to let that sit for a couple of hours until the water goes cold, and then your plates will be much flatter, and then you can come back and you can clean them. They're already starting to flatten with the weight and the heat. Okay, all right, so I'll take the phone back now, Steve, and so you can see it's steaming. You can see all the steam coming off. Oh, hi Carol, thanks for watching. Okay, and so we're just flattening the plates, and yeah, it's going to be they're going to be much better. So I'll post a photo once they're flattened. Okay, until next time, happy creating. Bye for now.